Merry Christmas, Aiden. Let's go see what. Look at your room. Oh my goodness! Did Santa Claus come? Huh? Let me see your room. Go look at your stuff.
Oh my goodness! Look at that.
Is that your seat? Did you get a new Lightning McQueen chair? Those aren't candles, those are lamps. You want to sit down? Sit in your chair. Is that your pillow?
Yes.
Oh, what a cool chair.
Look at that.
You see my red blanket?
I see your red blanket. Who's on it? You want to sit down?
I watch cars.
You see cars?
Cars.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What else do you have? That's a cool bed, Aiden. You gonna get in it and try it out? Is it a big boy bed with Lightning McQueen sheets? Do you have a pillow? Who's that? Is it Lightning McQueen? Huh? Is it too much for you? Yeah? Okay. Come over here. Look what you got over here. Oh, what's over there? Is it more Lightning McQueen stuff? Look at that. Are you excited? Too much? You don't know what to do? Look at Mommy. What you got?
Looks like you got lots of stuff from Lightning McQueen.
Oh, where's more McQueen?
Where's more Lightning McQueen? Do you want to open your Christmas presents? Yeah? Alright, go to the Christmas tree. Can you blow a kiss? Say, I love you.
I like him.
Merry Christmas. Alright.